Do you, as a Lagosian, feel that people who are not from Lagos should not assume political positions in Lagos? And I'm even referring to people from the Southwest as well.
It's a daydreaming. Anybody that is thinking like that is not facing the reality. I was born in Lagos Island, number 8 Okoya Street. I went to St. Patrick's Primary School. I know the composition of the community. I know when everybody started to come to Lagos, and I know what it is now. Even now, we have 4 houses in Lagos Island. All of them have been taken over by non-Yoruba speaking people, and they are predominant. An election is about number. How was it possible for an Obama, who is from Kenya, to be the president of America? Or the present mayor of England, who is a Muslim? If the character of the demography of a community changes, there is hardly anything you can do. They will take over from you. It is just a matter of time. No matter the struggle, we can strategize and give them a portion. But they say they are going to be zero. It's a waste of time. And I'm an advocate of this thing for the past 30 years. Because I grew up with them. I went to school with them. I know their capability. I know their tendencies. I know their unity of purpose more than us. I know their focus. And I know they can defeat us if you are not careful. I am very sure. I don't have any doubt at all. What I can say, where they are predominant, let us leave it for them. You cannot defeat them. Even if you harass them, they are a lot more aggressive than us. I just saw some touts disturbing them. If they attack you, you are gone. Don't push them to the wall, because they are not like us. Their own upbringing is fight to finish. They've gone through it before. So don't push them to the wall. My people, I am part and parcel of you, but we have allowed them, which is normal.
So please clarify them. Please clarify.
Non-Yoruba speaking, non-indigenous, South people, okay. We grew up with them. Southeast people, we grew up with them. Arewa people, North Central, Northwest, Kwara. How can you not talk about the demography of Lagos? Even our food. How do we come about Tuwo? They grew up with us with Kwara people. How do you talk about, all the Igbo food? They brought them. We grew up with them. We are part and parcel of them. There should be no discrimination in whatever form. And I'm appealing to our people, don't push this thing too much.
But PDP has been blamed for some of these tensions.
We are part of, how is it possible? 5 of our candidates are Igbos. House of Assembly, 6 local government, 6 wards in Agege are predominant Arewa people. There's no way you can bring an Arewa person and you not win the election in Agege there.
What is the language? Fielding the candidates is not the argument, I don't feel. The argument is with the rhetoric, with the it's us against them rhetoric. That divisive rhetoric is what PDP is doing.
No, it is because you don't want them, and we want them.
I want them.
So that is the argument. How can you talk about Ajegule and you are talking about Yoruba people? How can you talk about Ojo, Alaba Ragu, and we are talking? I can talk about Festac. These are accidents of history. When there was Festac, who was the honorable, minister then? How were they predominant in Festac to get the allocation and buy even the one Yorubas had? We bought them. Lagos Island now, 80% of the properties are owned by Igbo people, including my own father's property. They don't own them or they rent them. But they occupy them because we cannot live there anymore. We have moved out to Victoria Island, to Lekki, to Ogudu. But they are there. So, and if you vote today, there's no way you can defeat them. Even if you harass them, they will harass you. They are more aggressive than us.
So where is this language coming from? This language that is stoking this
It is competition. Yeah, anywhere there is competition, there must be differences. But the reality must prevail. Somebody
is this language coming from your party?
No. You see, if you grew up in Lagos, you know what I'm talking about. Our cooks, we are from South, Calabar people. the entire Project Gule, you know, the composition of the demography by accident, it doesn't favor us. And there's nothing you can do to change it now. It's too late. So let us concede a portion for them. There is no way you can take everything.
So you're saying that let's create a space, not integration. I'm just trying to understand.
No. I'm talking about election now.
Yes.
We are in England, where Muslims are predominant. They bring out Muslim parliamentarians, and they will win. So why do you think it is different from in Lagos? In Kano, an Igbo person became a councillor. Why is it not possible? In Ibadan, there's an area, I have a friend who is an Hausa person. He became a councillor. These are realities. There is nothing you can do. And it's all over Nigeria. People congregate according to ethnic background in every state. And when they decide to do something in that community, there's hardly anything what you can do. They will win.